This script just fetched 1,000 records from an API that only returns 20 at a time. It paginated through every page, refreshed an expired token, and backed off after a rate limit. All without a single crash. I am Mahaz, episode 67. Working with APIs, the advanced patterns real production apps depend on. By the end of this video, your API code will survive real-world traffic. Episode 41 covered the basics, requests.get, and reading JSON. Real APIs are messy. Today we go past the basics. Pagination. Most APIs only return a slice of the data per request. Auth headers and OAuth2. Proving who you are on every single call. Rate limiting and retries, handling the API telling you to slow down. Caching, not asking twice for an answer that has not changed. Today, the patterns behind every serious API integration. Most APIs cap each response 20, 50, maybe 100 items. To get everything, you loop, page after page, until there is nothing left. Some APIs use page numbers, page equals 1, then page equals 2. Others use cursors, a next underscore token pointing to the following page. While true, fetch a page, extend your results, check for a next page. If there is no next page in the response, break out of the loop. Miss this pattern and your app silently only sees the first page, forever. Every serious API call carries proof of who you are in the headers. Headers equals a dictionary, authorization bearer, then your token. Requests.get of the URL, comma, headers equals headers. API keys are simple, one static string, sent on every request. OAuth2 is different. You exchange a client ID and secret for an access token. Access tokens expire. A refresh token gets you a new one without logging in again. Real integrations automatically refresh before the token ever expires. APIs protect themselves with rate limits. Too many requests too fast gets you blocked. A 429 status code means, slow down, you have been rate limited. The fix, exponential backoff. Wait longer after every failed attempt. First retry, wait 1 second. Second retry, 2 seconds. Then 8. Time.sleep between attempts, doubling the wait time each time. Libraries like Tenacity handle this automatically with a single decorator. Never hammer a failing API in a tight loop, that gets your key banned. Caching and APIBot live build are next. This is how real backend services stay fast and stay within their rate limits. 67 episodes. Free. Every single one. 1 subscribe keeps this series running. 3 bonus episodes still ahead. Tap it now. Okay, caching responses. Why ask the same question twice, if the answer has not changed? Caching stores a response, then reuses it for a period of time. A simple dictionary cache, keyed by the URL, storing the response and a timestamp. Check if the cached entry is still fresh before making a new request. Requests-cache, a library that caches automatically with almost no code changes. Caching cuts your API calls, your costs, and your risk of hitting rate limits. Always set a sensible expiry. Stale data is its own kind of bug. APIBot, paginates, authenticates, retries, and caches, all in one function. Step 1. Build the authorization header with a bearer token. Step 2. Loop through every page until there is no next page left. Step 3. On a 429 or server error, retry with exponential backoff. Step 4. Check the cache first before making a new request. Step 5. Store every successful response in the cache with a timestamp. Step 6. Return every page combined into a single list. Run it. Every page fetched, every rate limit respected, every repeat call cached. 3 mistakes that break real API integrations. Mistake 1. Ignoring pagination and only ever reading the first page. Your app silently misses most of the data, forever. Mistake 2. Hard-coding an access token that expires with no refresh logic. The integration works today and mysteriously breaks next week. Mistake 3. Retrying instantly in a tight loop with no backoff at all. That gets your API key rate limited or banned entirely. Your challenge. Step 1. Write a function that loops through every page of a paginated API. Step 2. Add an authorization bearer header to every request. Step 3. Retry with exponential backoff whenever you get a 429. Step 4. Cache each page's response for 60 seconds. Step 5. Call it twice, and confirm the second call hits your cache. Reply with a screenshot proving your second call skipped the network. I check every comment. Let us recap what you learned today. Pagination. Loop through every page using page numbers or a cursor. Auth headers, authorization bearer, sent on every single request. OAuth2. Exchange credentials for a token. Refresh it before it expires. Rate limiting. A 429 means slow down, not give up. Exponential backoff. Wait longer after every failed retry. Caching. Do not ask twice for an answer that has not changed. APIBot, Paginate, authenticate, retry, and cache, all working together. Next episode, Python design patterns. Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you tomorrow. Advanced API patterns unlocked. Pagination, auth, rate limits, retries, and caching all covered. Your API integrations can now survive real production traffic. Next, episode 68, Python design patterns. Subscribe. Show me your APIBot handling a rate limit in the comments. I am Mahaz. See you in episode 68.